Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'll be comparing two perspectives and giving my opinion on government-controlled rent prices. Without further ado, let's get started. Using understandings of ideologies from page 111 of our social studies book, Michael S. Rendler believes that the government does not have the right to tell landlords or tenants how much they should charge and pay for rent. In a free society, no government, municipal, provincial, or federal, has the right to interfere with the choices of people to do their business with each other. It should no more tell a landlord what price to offer than it should tell a prospective tenant how much he can spend on rent. Both the landlord and the tenant have the moral right to just say no to the other offer. While on the next page, 112, Kelly Cradleman, who published an article in the Calgary Herald, believes that there should be rent controls on states and states that an Ipsos Red survey provided exclusively to the Herald Monday found 78% of homeowners and 92% of renters in Calgary and Edmonton support having government limits on their rent increases. The government has rejected the temporary control recommended by a government-approved housing task force in favor of limiting the allowed frequency to once per year. As per the worksheet, question 12C, what social terms could you apply to each of the perspectives mentioned previously? I'll just have an image. Because it's so expensive. This is 1100, like this is cheapest, I've sorted it, 900 and 950, or 995. 995, can't see. My filters, I also do have filters. I can't see anything. But they are 1 bed, 1 bath, non-natural house, non-shared laundry. Here's the list of what you can do. Pause at any time to view those in more detail. So let's go with this. Oh my god, my filters are screwed. There we go. Let's go with this one first. Come on, scroll. There we go. Make this bigger for myself. Okay. What are the requirements? Now that I can actually see. 900 a month, 1 bath, unfinished, long term. Okay. Utilities included, heating and water. Nice. Don't care about that. Don't care. Okay, don't care. Parking information, no information. Suite highlights, seat, sleep, whatever. Pot lights, whatever. In-suite laundry. Private entrance, whatever. Pet fee, 50 a month. Could be worse. Quiet, safe, okay. Close to parks, a growing rent, 900 a month. Utilities aren't included. 200 for flat rate for utilities, whatever flat rate means. Alright, no. How about no? Let's go $9.95. Come on. Okay. There's no pets. 985, 1 bath, unfinished, whatever. It's within my grip. Jeez, scroll work. Okay. Dogs and cats negotiable. Ooh. Pet fee 50 per month. Okay, that seems standard then. Laundry and charming 1 bedroom basement suite. Utilities an additional $175 for single occupant. What does this mean? But the utilities is basement suite only. There's a separate residence above. Okay. Well, whatever that means, no. How about this one? Going from cheapest to more expensive. Because reasons. There's... Oh, that's parking info. 2,000. Is that what I actually selected? This is 1111 or 11. This is $1,100. Come on, scroll. 2,000. What? Oh, it's a deposit of 2,000. Utilities not included. Okay. Oh, that's oh, this is unit. Unit, utilities not included, deposit, 1,100. Cool, I want to view more. No pets. Okay. Whatever. Nope. Whatever. Thought there was more in this. Well, this isn't going to plan. Yuki. Alright then, but still expensive. What else was I saying in the script? Alright. And cut. 20 years ago, it was like $633 a month according to the Canadian Mortgage and Housing Corporation. I'll image note there. Here. Yes, image here. In the same graph, 2025, it's $1,402 to go from $623 a month to $1,402 in 20 years is a 4.03% increase in rent for one bed. Minimum wage in Alberta is $15 an hour. If you make $15 an hour and you work 40 hours a week, 15 times 40 is 600 times 4 to get the month, $2,400 a month. Minus taxes, so let's say $300 a month, you'll get $2,100 if there are no benefits being deducted. Historically, we have been told to budget no more than 30% of our monthly income towards rent, which rent constantly increasing. Maintaining that 30% of our income remains challenging, if not impossible. You also have to work all your other bills out of the remaining money left from your paycheck. There are remaining utilities, groceries, phone bills, and public transport that must be factored in. If you have a vehicle, there are payments, gas, insurance, tires, and maintenance. Public transport is pretty much a lot better choice regardless of how much you make. Need to work 2 minimum wage jobs increases. Who's fine working for a minimum of 2 jobs? To get a better job, you must get training and experience, which sometimes means spending thousands on future education. If that's not possible, then it's a constant cycle of surviving renting costs or increasing costs. It is a cycle that rent caps could help with. Research in this area is needed, and if in the best interest of municipalities elected for the best of all. And that concludes my opinion. I am for rent caps to ensure no one goes without a home, for the ability to pay for shelter even if you're working minimum wage. Thank you for watching.